Friends, welcome to Navani Spice Magic. Today I'm going to make interesting dessert using normal custard but adding little extra flavor and make it more appetizing. It is fruit ball delight. Let's get started. First we need to prepare custard. For that we need milk, custard powder. I have taken vanilla custard powder. You can take any flavor, it's up to you. I've taken few fruits which are available with me: strawberries, apple, orange, banana, pomegranate. Then I've taken strawberry syrup just for garnishing. Then you need bread, white bread. First we need to prepare custard, so let's see how to make the custard. First we need to boil the milk. Then we'll see the next process after the milk gets boiled. Our milk started to boil, so we'll add sugar into this. Sugar according to your taste you can add, some eat a lot of sweet and some don't. So let this sugar dissolve in this milk completely. Now we have taken lukewarm milk into this bowl, so that we have to add the custard. I'm taking 3 tablespoons of custard. Mix the custard in the lukewarm milk. Then now pour this into the boiling milk. Now continuously stir this. This custard has to be little thick, it shouldn't be thin. So just keep stirring. Now this has come to the required consistency. It has to be thick like this. Need to cool this completely. I have finely diced the fruits I had with me. I have kept them separately because it becomes too soggy if I mix banana with this. So banana and apple in this, and strawberries and pomegranate into this. Now let's see the next process. Now we'll be taking bread. We'll remove the sides and just take a bread piece. Dip it in water. Quick dip. Squeeze all the water out. Now we need to take the fruits. We have to make a ball from this. So we'll put the fruits which we have diced. Now we'll roll it into a ball. Because we have dipped it in water, so it becomes soft, we can shape it, rolling it in between our palms. Now this is ready. Let's see the next process. Now we need to take the bowl in whichever we want to arrange. So just I'm pouring this strawberry syrup into this. Now we'll gently place this into this. Now pour the custard into this. Now we'll add few more fruits. If you have whipped cream, you can pour it over this, or you can even place an ice cream scoop on this. Just arrange. Now our yummy dessert fruit ball delight is ready. You can have it. If you keep the custard in fridge, it will be more good. Otherwise also it's okay. If you can just add a scoop of ice cream over it, it tastes really awesome. And you can enjoy this. And so I hope you liked my video. If you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.